Feel the freedom of clear hearing with the best earwax removal in Golders Green. Embrace the clarity and comfort you deserve. Book your appointment today for Microsuction earwax removal in Golders Green. Experience professional care at its finest. Discover the most effective earwax removal in Hendon. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to better hearing. Choose Microsuction earwax removal in Hendon for a quick and painless solution. Your ears will thank you. In Temple Fortune, our earwax removal services are second to none. Clear hearing is just an appointment away. Experience the precision of Microsuction earwax removal in Temple Fortune. Book now and feel the difference. Hearing First Golders Green offers top-tier earwax removal using Microsuction. Your hearing health is our priority. Visit us at 999 Finchley Road, London, NW11 7HB, and experience the best in ear care. Your journey to better hearing starts here. Book your Microsuction earwax removal in Golders Green today. Enjoy clear hearing and professional service. For the best earwax removal in Hendon, look no further. Our experts are ready to help you hear clearly again. Microsuction earwax removal in Hendon is safe, effective, and quick. Schedule your appointment and see the results. In Temple Fortune, book your earwax removal now. Clear hearing is just around the corner.